Understanding the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, in modern times reveals a profound relevance that transcends the centuries. His life and teachings, encapsulated in the Quran and Hadith, offer timeless guidance on moral conduct, social justice, and personal development. The Quran emphasizes that the Prophet was sent as a mercy for all mankind, Quran 21:107, highlighting his role as a universal guide whose principles are applicable to all aspects of life today. In a world increasingly characterized by division and moral ambiguity, the teachings of the Prophet provide a framework for ethical behavior rooted in compassion, honesty, and justice. One of the fundamental aspects of the Prophet's teachings is the concept of Ijtihad, or independent reasoning, which allows scholars to interpret Islamic law in light of contemporary issues. This dynamic approach ensures that Islam remains relevant in changing circumstances. As noted in Hadith, when a scholar does his best to come to a right decision, if his verdict is right, he will get a double reward, and if wrong, he will still get one. Sahih al-Bukhari, Hadith number 7352. This encourages an ongoing dialogue between tradition and modernity, enabling Muslims to navigate contemporary challenges while adhering to their faith. Moreover, the Prophet's emphasis on moral values resonates deeply in today's society. He taught that true worship involves embodying virtues such as truthfulness and justice in daily life. The Quran instructs believers to uphold these values consistently. O you who have believed, be persistently standing firm in justice. Quran 4:135. This call to justice is particularly pertinent in addressing social inequalities and injustices that plague modern societies. In addition to moral guidance, the Prophet's teachings promote social responsibility. He emphasized the importance of family ties and community welfare, urging individuals to care for their parents and support their communities. The Prophet said, "He who does not show gratitude to people cannot be grateful to Allah." Sunan Abi Dawud, underscoring the interconnectedness of human relationships and divine gratitude. In an age where individualism often overshadows communal values, these teachings serve as a reminder of our obligations towards one another. Furthermore, the Prophet's approach to knowledge encourages critical thinking and inquiry. He stated that, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim," Sunan Ibn Majah, which fosters a culture of learning that is essential for progress in any society. This principle is especially relevant today as we face complex global challenges that require informed solutions grounded in ethical considerations. The teachings of Prophet Muhammad also address gender relations with respect and dignity. He advocated for the fair treatment of women at a time when they were often marginalized. The Quran asserts that men and women are equal partners in faith. Indeed, the believers are but brothers. Quran 49:10. This principle can guide contemporary discussions on gender equality and women's rights within Islamic contexts. Moreover, the Prophet's life exemplified resilience in adversity. His experiences during periods of persecution highlight the importance of patience and perseverance, qualities that remain vital for individuals facing personal or societal challenges today. The Quran frequently reminds believers that trials are part of life's journey, and we will surely test you with something of fear and hunger. Quran 2:155. This perspective encourages individuals to maintain faith during difficult times. In summary, understanding the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, through the lens of modernity reveals their enduring significance. His principles advocate for justice, compassion, social responsibility, and continuous learning, values that are crucial for fostering harmony in today's diverse world. By embodying these teachings, Muslims can navigate contemporary issues while remaining true to their faith, thus fulfilling their role as custodians of divine guidance for humanity at large.